Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to unhide apps on your iPhone running iOS 18. Let's get started. If you have hidden an app, for example TikTok, it won't show up on your home screen, even though it's still installed on your phone. To unhide it, start by swiping through your home screens until you reach the app library. Once you're in the app library, scroll down to the very bottom. You'll see a folder called Hidden. This folder is protected by Face ID. Tap on the hidden folder and authenticate using Face ID. Now you'll see all the apps that are currently hidden on your iPhone. In this case, we only have one hidden app, but if there were more, they would appear here. To unhide an app, long press on it and select Don't Require Face ID. It will scan your face again to confirm. Once the app is no longer hidden, go back and search for it. In our example, we'll search for TikTok. When it shows up, long press on it and select Add to Home Screen. You can place it wherever you want, just like before. And that's it. Now you know how to unhide apps in iOS 18.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.